What's up guys, it's Victor here again. This is the Tecno Camon 17, a drastic downgrade from the Camon 17 in major quarters. It is priced at 75,000 Nigerian Nairas or $160 US. I will unbox and quickly review this device in this video. You'll find timestamps to various sections of this video in the description box below. Please do subscribe and turn on the post notification bell icon to be notified the next time and every other time I post a new video like this one. The Tecno Camon 17 comes in a very beautiful and sturdy white box. The box looks really sleek and premium. It even has a 3D texture on the Camon text, and it also comes with some intricate 3D patterns running across the entire box. The Tecno Camon series is supposed to be Tecno's Camon-centric lineup of smartphones, right? But the Camon 17 comes with a 48 megapixel main shooter as opposed to the 64 megapixel on the Camon 16 from last year. However, there is a slightly more powerful chipset here, the Helio G85, and this device also has a 90Hz refresh rate screen, a 5000 mAh battery with what they called 18 watts flash charge. I'm not sure if there's any other variant of this phone, but this one I have here has 128GB of internal storage and 4GB of RAM. On opening the very sleek box, we are greeted by the Camon 17 in all its glory. Probing further into the box, we have a silicone case for protection, a small pack housing and earpiece, a micro USB 2.0 cable, which is a PT by today's standard, and 18 watts fast charging and a SIM ejector pin. There is already a screen protector pre-installed on the phone, so you have no fears about scratches. This color is called Deep Sea. The Camon 17 looks really good. I love the design. I love the fact that it's very light and sturdy and easy to hold. It's also very usable one-handed because of the 20:9 aspect ratio, and I love the Camon text with that shiny effect at the back. It is made from a polycarbonate plastic material, which I really don't think that's a deal breaker. It's even good for durability. And on the right of the device are the volume rockers and power button. The left side features the SIM slot that houses 2 nano SIMs and an SD card. The top features nothing. The bottom features a microphone, headphone jack, micro USB port, and a loudspeaker grill. The back has a triple camera vertical stage housing a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, which is obviously an upgrade from the 16 series with only an 8 megapixel ultra wide shooter. However, the main camera of the Camon 17 is now demoted to a 48 megapixel sensor, down from the 64 megapixel on the Camon 16. A 2 megapixel unknown module completes the camera count to 3, but I'm guessing that is either the depth sensor or QVGA camera. There is also a fingerprint sensor on the back, which is also a PT. I love the side-mounted fingerprint reader on the Camon 16 Premier. The Camon 17 has a smaller 6.55 inches screen as opposed to the 6.8 on the Camon 16. It is a 720p display but with a 90Hz refresh rate and 20:9 aspect ratio. The selfie camera is now an 8 megapixel camera, and it's installed inside the dot hole at the top left side of the display. It has the more powerful Helio G85 processor assisted by the Mali G52 GPU. You also get 4 gigs of RAM and double of the storage you get on the Camon 16, which is 128GB. The phone seems fast, but I have not tested this thoroughly. I'll do a full review video of the Tecno Camon 17 after I've tested it thoroughly. I've tested the audio and battery. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, please, now is a good time to subscribe, and also ring the bell icon so that when I post that video, you'll be among the first to know. The Camon 17 comes with Android version 11 and iOS 7.6 out of the box, with all the extra things and bloats that comes with iOS and maybe SOS. The Camon 17 has a 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging. Again, I'll be testing the battery capacity, the battery life, and the charging speed in a later video. I took some pictures with this Tecno Camon 17 phone and they are not bad. I like the color reproduction, I like the skin color preservation. However, the portrait mode didn't do really fine, as you can see in this picture. There are some very exciting and interesting memojis on here. Some of them are very indigenous, like this one here with a Nigerian Hausa cap. And I'll be giving you my final impression about the camera in a later video. The Tecno Camon 17 is now available at online and offline stores nationwide, and you get it for 75,000 Nairas or $160 US. The Camon 17 shouldn't be mistaken as a successor to the Camon 16 Premier. It is the direct successor to the vanilla Camon 16 and not the 16 Premier. So with that out of the way, I am expecting a Camon 17 Pro or Camon 17 Premier to show up. This is just an unboxing and overview video of the Camon 17. a more detailed review will come soon. So please subscribe and ring the bell icon to know when I post that video. Thank you guys for watching this one. I will see you when I see you in another video. Peace.